Becoming a millionaire by 25 online is rare and hard. Most overnight stories hide 2 to 4 years of consistent work. There are no magic buttons. Starting with almost nothing, learning high-value skills, building assets that scale, and compounding to 7 figures while still young. The biggest trap? Chasing shiny trends instead of creating real value and systems. Are you ready to work harder than most for the next couple of years so you can live freer than most for the rest of your life? Step 1. Master a high-income skill. No big capital needed. Pick one skill that businesses and people pay for online. AI-powered services and automation, copywriting or digital marketing, no-code website and app building, video editing or short-form content creation. How to learn fast. Free resources on YouTube and practice with AI tools. Offer your services on Upwork, Fiverr, or directly in communities. Even start with low or free projects to build proof and reviews. While most scroll endlessly, the ones pulling ahead treat skill building like leveling up in a game. Daily practice. Once you're closing $1,000 to $3,000 projects consistently, you're ready to scale. Step 2. Launch a scalable online business. Freelancing pays the bills quickly, but assets build real wealth. Choose one model that fits you. 1. Digital products and courses. Create once. Templates, guides, prompt packs, mini courses, and sell forever on platforms like Gumroad or your own site. Solve a specific painful problem for a niche. 2. E-commerce. Dropshipping or print on demand. Niche-focused stores on Shopify. Low inventory risk. Use AI for designs and marketing. Focus on underserved needs. 3. Content creation and monetization. Build an audience on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. Earn through ads, affiliates, and your own offers. Validate fast with a small test, organic posts or tiny ad budget. Track results simply in a spreadsheet. Pick the model that matches your skill and interests. The jump from $5,000 to $50,000 plus months comes from systems and leverage. Step 3. Scale with systems, AI and leverage. This is where most quit and where wealth compounds. Use AI as your always-on teammate for content, customer support, ideas, and ads. Scaling moves. Hire affordable virtual assistants for repetitive tasks. Build an email list with a free lead magnet. Reinvest profits aggressively into marketing and team. Create multiple streams, services, products, and affiliates. Protect your energy. Focus 4 to 6 deep hours daily. Avoid burnout by treating this like a marathon. Typical progression for those who stick with it. First, consistent income in months 1 to 6, strong scaling in 7 to 18 months, and major compounding after that. Young dropshippers hitting high 5 figures monthly profit in focused niches. Digital product creators scaling to massive daily revenue with simple, useful tools. Content creators turning hobbies into full empires. AI-leveraged businesses growing extremely fast. They started exactly like you. Unsure, no big audience, but they executed daily while others just watched. 90-day starter plan. Days 1 to 30. Master one skill and land your first paying client or test sale. Days 31 to 60. Launch your first product or store and hit initial revenue. Days 61 to 90. Set up basic systems, run tests, and push toward consistent $5,000 to $10,000 months. Document your journey publicly. It becomes free marketing.